Let's make this tracker in Excel in 3 minutes. Let's say you already have your project milestones and an owner listed. Let's go over here and change this to a percentage and type in our percentages done for each item. Then select it, conditional formatting, data bars, more rules. There's lots of options here. I'm going to change the color in here to more of a dark blue. And then here you could change it to gradient, and then let's select it and align our font to the right so it's not on the bars. We'll change that to bold and then more of a red color so it really stands out. Next, under budget, let's select everything and go up to insert a 2D bar chart. Click on the title, the grid lines, the axis on the bottom, and press delete. Then right click and insert your data labels. Now we need to format these, so right click and format. We would like these to be centered. You can pick anything you want, and let's go to the text options. And for fill, let's do white. That'll stand out against a darker bar on the chart. You can increase this on the home menu as well and bold. Next, I'm going to show you, you can click on those bars and go over here to fill and select something like a navy blue if you wanted to match the rest of what you have going on. Then on the left here, I'm going to bold and increase the font size here so you can see those labels nicely. Now, as I resize this down, you'll notice that the bars get a lot smaller. In order to still be able to maintain that width, you need to right-click and format, and let's change the gap width down quite a bit so that those bars are still really easy to see. Now, there is some more adjusting to do here. Let's do no outline, and then we're still going to have to resize this down if you want everything to be aligned. And then let's change this actually to match our font color above to break up the blue a little bit to red. Right click here and let's go to the shape, and this is where you can do some things to the bars. So let's add a 3D bevel. Next, in our bottom section for tasks, I'm just going to zoom out here a little bit so it's easier to see. Select all of those values and then insert a column chart. Move that in place. You'll need to resize this. I'm, as usual, on mobile, so I have to fit a skinnier screen, but if you were on a computer, it'd be much easier. And again, click on all of these various areas and press delete. Then let's click on the bar and let's fill this the same color as we did above, and then we'll right click and do the 3D effect as well and close out. We want to remove the outline here as well, so I'm right clicking and making sure we catch no outline on all these areas. Sometimes it's difficult to catch the right one when you're selecting. This is looking good. You can resize this. You could add data labels if you want by just right-clicking and add data labels just like we did above. I've done lots of videos on inserting shapes, so you can go ahead and do that if you want to add something else to the background, but otherwise you're good.